Hey guys, welcome back to Little Boy Customs. This channel is typically about taking newer cars like this 2010 and stuffing the drivetrain underneath older cars like this 1951 Ford. But today's video is going to be about how to take the door panels off of a Ford Taurus. So as you can see, I have completely stripped this car down all the way other than the front driver's seat and a couple other things. More of this car is going to be stripped down. So if you're interested in seeing what we do on our channel, please hit the subscribe button and check out our other videos. We've built a 67 F100 truck and put it underneath a Grand Marquis frame. And now we're building this 1951 Ford shoebox and putting it under a 2010 Ford Taurus. So go check out the channel. Might be something you're interested in. All right, guys, we're going to start with the back door here first. The very top is going to be a piece of trim that you're going to want to pull off with either a flathead screwdriver or a tool like this here. Wedge it underneath here at the corner, and it should pop up just a little bit. Once it does that, use your hands and just pull the tabs out. And once you get it all off, flip it over. There's the tabs. That's what you pulled out. Put that to the side. On this side here is a Phillips head screw. This side over here has an 8mm screw. You need to also pull up the control for the window. Be careful when you're doing this because you can actually break the switch. Pull that up and you're going to remove the green right there. That's what you're going to remove. And the switch can be set to the side then. Inside of the reason why you want to remove this is because right there is a 10mm bolt inside that you want to remove in order to get the door panel off. Also, there is a piece of plastic that's behind this door handle here. It's better to use a flathead screwdriver, but there's a 10mm screw behind this as well. Over here is a Phillips head screw with a rubber washer, and down below right underneath the speaker is going to be another Phillips head screw. After you've removed all those, you can pull the door panel off. You'll just kind of wedge something in right in here and just pull it out. Kind of aggressively pull it and it will come out pretty easily. Alright, once you get those screws taken off right there, the next thing to do is we're going to take some of the bolts that hold this on out. You're gonna have two 10mm bolts. One is gonna be right there. Maybe nope, no light. And the other one is going to be right there. Once you get those two off, the next thing to do will be to get this 8mm off that's right here. Final thing to do is going to be, we're going to have to pry some of this out from the door. And I like to use a small pry bar like this right here. Now, once you get it loose, like this door is here, it comes up, but remember, you still got the door handle that you need to take off. So if you look on the inside here, just push that little clip right there in. There's one on the bottom and one at the top. And then just turn it sideways and push it through, and the door panel's off. Now, you can fix the speakers. If the electric motor is out for the window, you can always pull the plastic back, get inside, and fix whatever you need to fix on the inside there. Let's move to the front door. Let me kill this. All right. On the front door, it's pretty much the same process. You're going to remove, the only difference between the front door and the back door is you're going to remove this piece as well. It's just little clips that hold this on. That takes that off. There's that 10 millimeter I was telling you about earlier. It's the exact same way on the back door as it is the front door. This one here was an 8 millimeter, just like the back door. And the rest of them are going to be Phillips head screws. One here. One with a rubber grommet. And then there's two of them at the bottom. One right down here and one right here underneath the speaker. Once you get all those taken off, just a matter of prying the door open again. Just pull the door out once you get it loose, lift it up, and you're going to have one controller, electrical control there. You want to undo it pretty quickly because it's pretty short. That is going to the locks, and then the other is the actual handle itself. It's got the two clips just like the back door did. Now, I have found it that once you've released it like this, you want to give it as much slack as you can so you can pull this back out of this crevice right here. And that's how you get it off. Now you can fix the speakers, any of the wiring, mirrors, door handle latch, the lock part of it, or even the motor inside the car. Hope this is helpful. Hope this video helped you out with taking the door panels off of your Ford Taurus. If it did, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, well, give me a thumbs down. Let me know how I stand. Either way, if you're interested in seeing our actual build that we're using this Ford Taurus on, well, hit that subscribe button. And videos come out at least once a week, most of the time. Trying to get better at that, trying to get it to be 3 times a week, but we're still working. Till next time, be safe. Thanks for watching.